Today, technology is becoming more personal, more seamless, and more intuitive. One of the fastest-growing wearables isn't a watch or a wristband, it's smart glasses. These aren't just fashion accessories. They're packed with advanced sensors, cameras, and AI that bring digital information into your real world. In this video, we'll show you what smart glasses are, how they work, and how they can benefit your daily life. Let's start with the unboxing. Today, we're looking at premium smart glasses, lightweight frames with built-in cameras, microphones, speakers, and even a heads-up display that shows digital info without blocking your view. Inside the package, you typically get the glasses, a charging case, various nose pads or lens covers, and quick start guides. These glasses are designed to look like stylish everyday eyewear, not bulky tech gadgets. Notice the touch controls on the frame arm, tiny speakers near your ears, and a discreet camera, all built into a classic glasses design. There's a growing range of smart glasses on the market. One of the most well-known is Ray-Ban Meta, designed to blend everyday style with AI features like cameras, voice interaction, and live streaming. Then there's the Ray-Ban Display smart glasses with a built-in high-resolution heads-up display. You can watch videos, see navigational cues, read text messages, and get live subtitles directly on the lens. Other models, like the Oakley Meta Vanguard, focus on active lifestyles with cameras optimized for sports, GPS integration, and long battery life. Smart glasses can project navigation directions, turn by turn, right in your line of sight, perfect for cyclists, commuters, or pedestrians. No need to pull out your phone. With built-in microphones and speakers, you can answer calls, text, or get voice notifications entirely hands-free. Ideal when your hands are busy. Some smart glasses support real-time language translation, transforming conversations by showing or speaking the translated text instantly. This breaks barriers for travel or multicultural communication. Forget earphones. Integrated speakers or bone conduction tech let you enjoy audio content while staying aware of your surroundings. Many smart glasses now track fitness data, from steps and calories to posture and activity metrics, without needing a separate wearable. In professional environments like warehouses and logistics, smart glasses let workers access live instructions, scan barcodes, and optimize workflows without shifting focus away from their hands or tasks. Field technicians can stream what they see to remote experts and get real-time guidance, perfect for complex repairs or industrial maintenance. Imagine walking through a historic site with interactive facts, translations, and route guidance appearing directly on your lens. AR makes travel both richer and easier. Smart glasses can bring educational content to life, combining real objects with virtual overlays to enhance understanding and engagement. For those with visual or hearing challenges, smart glasses can provide audio descriptions, text-to-speech, object recognition, and navigation support, empowering independence. Smart glasses reduce reliance on phones, eliminate distraction, and bring information to your eyes, literally, whether at work, on the road, or relaxing. The benefits include hands-free communication, instant info access, better safety, and improved efficiency. Unlike phones or earbuds, these glasses keep your attention on the world around you, increasing safety and awareness. Smart glasses are still evolving, but the direction is clear. They will become more powerful, compact, stylish, and indispensable. From personal assistants to professional tools and inclusive technology, smart glasses may soon feel as essential as the smartphone once did. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future tech breakdowns from Omnitech Insight.